Welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can check purchase history in Steam. So guys, if you're trying to check your purchase history but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So let's get right into it without any delays. So once you're in Steam, and make sure you're logged in. So after you've logged in, just look at the top right corner where you can see your Steam account name. Just go ahead and tap there, and now all you need to do is tap on account details. So guys, right off the bat you can see options like add funds to your Steam wallet, and right next to it you can see view purchase history. Just go ahead and tap there, and now you would be able to check your purchase history in Steam. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.